Hello students, welcome to our math class of standard 5th. Before getting to know what our topic is for today, I want you all to watch a video. So students, what did you all observe? Yes, right. You all are thinking absolutely right. The video we just saw was based on different types of circles. A circle is the most common shape in the universe and widely used in our day-to-day life. And it is a shape which has no corner or no side. So today we will see what are the basic terms related to circle, their relationship and how to draw a circle. So students, check this video carefully and see what did you all observe. Maybe some of you must be thinking that it is a cricket match or maybe about Virat Kohli playing. Yes, you all are right. But students, what I wanted you all to see was the way Virat Kohli hits a ball and the distance from which the ball travels. So, if this is a cricket stadium, so let us consider the place where Virat Kohli is standing as the center of the stadium, or we can say center of a circle. And from that center of the circle, he hits the ball to the boundary. So that distance from the center to the boundary is called radius of a circle. So the first term that we will learn is the radius of the circle, and the definition is the line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. That means the distance from the center of the circle to the outer line of the circle is called the radius, and it is denoted by capital R or small r, and center of the circle is the midpoint of the circle. Now let's see one more video. So students, in this we observe that the player runs from one part of the boundary to the other, or the ball travels from one part of the boundary to the other. which means the line joining any two points on the circle, like this, or you can say like this, is called the chord. So, a line joining any two points on a circle is called a chord. Now, can you all see that in the cricket stadium there are players standing in their position for a match? So if we draw a straight line from one of the players standing to the boundary up to the another player standing to the boundary by passing through the center, like this passing through the center, right? This line is passing through the center. Then it is called the diameter, which means, see this is a cricket stadium and this is the center of the circle. This line which passes from one end of the boundary to the other end. This is the one end of the boundary and this is the another end of the boundary. So the line which passes from one end of the boundary to the other end by passing through from the center of the circle is called the diameter. So a diameter is a line which divides the circle in two equal parts. So this is one part, and this is the another part. Similarly, in this case, in this black line which I've drawn, this is the one part and this is the another part. So that is, it divides the circle in two equal parts, like we divide a pizza. If we have one pizza, and if you all are two sisters or two brothers or one sister and brother, and how we divide a pizza into two equal parts in the similar manner, when you divide a circle in two equal parts, but with a condition that it should pass from the center of the circle, then that line is called the diameter. It states a chord passing through the center of a circle is called a diameter. A circle has many chords and diameters. So students, what I said previously, a chord is a line joining any two points on the circle. It should join any two points on the circle. And here, diameter also touches any two point on the circle. So that means a diameter is also a chord. But, a chord cannot be a diameter. I repeat once again, a diameter is a chord, but a chord cannot be a diameter. Because the condition for diameter is it should pass through the center of the circle. So the diameter is denoted by capital D or small d. We will see now how to name radius, diameter and chord. In the first figure, we can see the radius, chord and diameter as well. So students, see this carefully because now we are going to see how to name the radius, chord and diameter. Now in this, we will write down the radius first. But before writing the radius, students, please keep in mind that whenever you write any radius, chord or a diameter, we should always write it as segment and then the name of the line. Okay? So now we'll see what will be the radius of this circle. Now we all can see O is the center of the circle, and what the radius definition was. It stated that the line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So it should pass from the center of the circle to any point. So from center to any point. That means AO is the first radius because it is joining from the center to any point on the circle. Similarly, OB, it is from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So this is the second radius OB. And third is O segment OC, which is from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So the radius are segment AO, segment OB, and segment OC. Now we'll see the chords. So what was the definition of a chord? A chord is a line joining any 2 points on the circle. Line joining any 2 points. So this is one point and this is the another point. A line joining any 2 points on the circle. So this is the segment PQ, which is the first chord, and the second is AB, which is joining any 2 points on a circle. Now OC cannot be a chord because one part is joining the circle but the other part is not on the circle. So it's only the half part. So this cannot be a chord. So the only chord which we got are segment PQ because it is joining any 2 points on a circle, and here it is joining A and B. Now the third is diameter. What was the definition of a diameter? A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. Now which is the center of the circle? This is the center of the circle. And which is the chord in this? PQ and AB. These are the only two chords. Is PQ passing through the center? No. Is AB passing through the center? Yes. So the diameter is AB. So diameter of a circle is segment AB.